Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this example, we will show you how to get the content of a cell in a table when it's tapped. We will also use a script to count items and change the color of a cell based on its content. The demo list contains a number column for the row ID, a string column with the item number as a text, and a Boolean column that shows if the item is checked or not. First, let's count the amount of items that are checked in our demo list and color in the checked items cells in green. Add a number variable and connect the text on your screen where you want to show the checked items amount. Create a data row loaded event by clicking the code icon on the right side of the table's properties. A data row event is executed every time the data is reloaded or a new row is added to the list. Choose an if statement from the script tree and get the value of the Boolean variable that shows if an item is checked or not. On the top of the script tree, you can see all the code blocks you can use for the row loaded event. Choose color row background color and set it to green. Set the row text color to black. Next, increase the number in the variable that counts your checked items by 1. This part of the if statement will be repeated for all rows where the column is checked. In the else part of the block, change the row background to red. Now let's look at how we can display the index of the column and row and the contents of the cell that has been tapped. Notice how the text fields we want to display the values are activated for scripting and have a control name. We will use this in the script now. Add a cell tapped event to the table. Change to the script mode and set your row index. Make sure to change it to a string because the text control needs a string. Do the same for the column. Finally, set the text for the content of the cell. Start the preview to check if your scripts are working correctly. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.